All right, so here we are in the next part of the packing list. We are up to, let's see, number 5, easy order processing. So you're going to get this document in here, which I have on the screen. I'll show you the original in the camera so you can see or you can follow along. I have it right next to me. Easy order processing at a glance. When you receive an order, you'll receive the following. A, 2 money orders, preferably postal money orders, and sometimes you might receive cash. B, you're going to receive the original postcard or a copy of it, both the front and the back, or you're going to have the neatly printed name and address and phone number of the person who's purchasing. And C, you're going to get their 12 books of forever postage stamps. Each book should contain 20 forever postage stamps. So you have to check to make sure that you have all 3 of these things from each of your customers when they have made a purchase, right, and submitted that to you. So how to process. All right, so let's just read through this because it's very short. Number 1, separate the money orders. Put your $1,000 money order into one pile and the other $299 shipping, insurance, and administration money order into another pile. The shipping and administration and insurance and administration money order belongs to the prime source administrator at the bottom of this sheet. Okay, so it says if they've included $50 for rush shipping, you must include that so that we can rush their package. The entire $1,000 money order, which should be made payable in your name, belongs to you. For your information, the postal money orders can be deposited into your bank account, or you can cash them at the post office at many United States post offices with your valid ID or driver's license. Number 2, send us the original postcard or a copy of the front and back of the postcard that was sent to you, or the neatly printed name, shipping address, and phone number if you have the phone number on a sheet of paper with the shipping and handling administration fee of $299 money order placed with each order inside of a white number 10 business envelope. So everything is kept neatly together with each order. So basically what I believe this means is if you have 5 sales in one day and you want to process all 5 of them, you should have 5 number 10 white business envelopes, and each of the 5 customers should have an envelope that is for that customer with their order, because this way if you have 2 people that have a rush shipping, you need to separate all these orders to make sure that you don't get any of these details mixed up and that the person who paid for something gets what they paid for. So keep all your orders separate in a separate white envelope to submit. Number 3, well, before that it says, okay, you can send as many as you can fit in one priority mail flat rate envelope. So that basically means afterwards, go to the post office, take your 5 orders together in the 5 separate white envelopes, get one of the priority mail flat rate envelopes, put it in there, and ship it into the office. Number 3, for each order you receive, you will also receive 12 books of forever postage stamps. So you're supposed to separate 6 books into one pile that goes to you, and 6 books into another pile that goes to the company. We typically use these to help others who have slow or no sales. Number 4, ship the orders. Whether it's one or multiple orders, make sure you promptly ship within 48 hours so that customers can have their orders processed fast. Upon receipt, we take over from there and we will drop ship the order directly to your customer. You do not need to do anything further. If there is a problem with an order, please email us right away. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you process the orders in a nutshell. And there's more details in other pages about certain things, but this is the simple version of what you are to do and how to keep your stuff organized whenever you receive orders. All right, so let's go into the next thing on the page, which, looking over at a glance, is number 6, which is the daily to-do list. Let's go take a look in the next video.